I found two ways of doing the manual apertures. Here is one. Here is another. Both of these are going to replace the NEX camera mount. And so this one I'm going to put on the camera mount here. Let's see. I'm going to screw this in place. So this is the camera mount. It's going to go on here. And I can change the aperture manually here. I need to make it about the same thickness as this. So I'm going to add a couple spacers, M42 spacers. To here. And this way it'll be about the same focal distance as it is currently. So now I can put my camera here. This will mount onto the X mount, and I can adjust the aperture manually. Kind of same thing here, except it's already about the proper thickness. So it's already about the right thickness. So I can just mount this directly on. This is a Kaipon mount adapter, and it needs an EOS to NEX mount. I've done that here, looking at the microscope. So we have the microscope here. I have the depth gauge. So this is what the microscope sees. Here is the aperture going closed and all the way open. And I have one of the apertures mounted on here now. So as I change the aperture, we can see the vignetting, and unfortunately, where it's set up, no depth of field increase. Look on the right side, does not help the depth of field at all. Just simply constricts the view.